Okay, folks, I'm in downtown Chicago right now in front of the very interesting building over here. Excuse me. And we're going to go towards the river over here. This is the Apple store over there. And we're going to see if I'm going to be able to talk to some tourists. And a lot of folks are coming in here because of America's. Very interesting place to get a couple minutes rest. This is another view over here. And we're going to proceed towards the bridge over here. A lot of people. It's a beautiful day today. Downtown Chicago. Beautiful sculpture. And we got some live music going on over there. This is the Apple Store, 401. And we got a couple of musicians in here. What do we got here? People. Well, let's see what's going on the river over here. Well, we're going to take a little peek over here. Okay. Folks are getting on the boat over here. Very nice place to be. A little breezy. I'm going to see if there's a ramp over there. I think there's a ramp over there. Someplace. We might be able to get there. First lady going through here. We got plenty of traction in here. Okay, folks, let's see if we get down there, if we find a ramp someplace over there. I think so.